Good morning. Uh, this is Dr. Maria Teresa Matriano, assistant professor from Middle East College. I'd like to express my gratitude for inviting me as the keynote speaker for this virtual conference. And I'd like to focus my discussion on the digital transformation of education and its impact to graduates' employability. Well, from our researches, as everybody would agree, we could say, and you would agree, that our previous studies revealed that our digital transformation is so essential, okay, to our present education for various reasons. So for one, it's enabled collaboration, huge collaborations, better and more improved collaborations, okay, among the different stakeholders in this education industry, okay, locally and then globally, and for other reasons that personalized learning has been improved tremendously. Also with this digital transformation, we can view this as in this transformation as adopting different forms of technology to improve processes and skills. And in most cases, the goal of this digital transformation is to improve efficiency and value through innovative practices. This digital transformation is rather significant because it aims to embrace digital technology and maximize its application to government processes, including the educational system. Digital transformation is necessary for private entities and the government, which also offers sustainable knowledge for society to improve technology infrastructure. Now, what are the key areas of digital transformation in education? This digital transformation in education involves key areas, okay, like the most popular online and the distant learning, the student assessment, and personalized learning experience. This digital transformation has enabled online and distant learning as evident during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. And through this digital transformation, the continuative learning was successful despite the threat of the virus. And apart from utilization of technology in education during the pandemic, this approach to learning continuity was also evident across different nations. And as part of the process, the other areas of teaching and learning were also conducted through digital technology. Okay, so these are the areas. Okay, as I mentioned, we have the online distant learning and the student assessment and the personalized learning experience. Now, today, okay, our educators have opportunity to personalize their teaching approach by using technology-based learning materials, and students can choose the proper learning phase and can have complete access to information that will help them learn better. Okay, now why is this digital transformation so important to education? Okay, this digital transformation is so essential for, we knew it very well, for enhancing the quality of education. And for us, this is more than just the utilization of existing technology. It is a concept that aims to transform teaching and the learning methods. A recent study revealed that the processes involved in the digital transformation has led to the creation of a more effective learning environment for the learners. In our higher education, having a better learning environment will surely increase the students' motivation to learn. And likewise, our faculty who adopt technological tools after the transformation will also realize the importance and benefits of digitalized teaching and learning environment. And as technology keeps on evolving, the educational system will have to cope with the changes, especially on issue of technology application. And with an effective learning environment through digital transformation, students will also collaborate more effectively, especially during class discussion. Now, the importance of this digital transformation to education, as revealed in the study of Saina and Alma-Mari, has added that using technological tools would help develop the potential of educators to contribute to curriculum development. And then this technology offers a broader learning tool which establishes a better connection between the stakeholders such as the students, teachers, parents, education experts. Hence, indeed, this digital transformation has creates positive effects in transforming the teaching and learning environments that can lead to a more favorable result for education and students. And in a much broader sense, we would say that higher education institutions across different nations are now transforming their educational system through the expansion of information and communication technology. Hence, the educational environment has adopted this global trend through digital transformation, and this is an essential approach to embracing digital technology because the educational environment will have the chance to leverage the quality of education across the globe, thus enabling our students to increase their employability through better skills acquisitions. Okay, so among the advantages of this digital transformation in education, as listed here, so we could see it with this digital transformation of education. So there will be greater access to information. Students can get learnings at any point in time and anywhere. Okay, this time, just like what we have in our institutions, so we have technology like the use of the MS Teams. For some, actually, it's the use of the Zoom and the recording features, of the lecture. Okay, which will give more access to our students, in case they fail to attend the classroom setup. Okay, so another one is the better tracking and monitoring of students. Yeah, since everything can now be recorded through the use of technology and through the use of the different software applications. Okay, then we can have this, which we can quickly update. Okay, even the use of our simple Excel. So, and then automate using the different functions, advanced features of our very simple Excel. So we can have a better tracking and monitoring of our students' performance. And then we have this more collaboration between teachers and students, and not only between teachers and students, but among the different stakeholders of the education, education industry. So as we said, so we have a lot. So we have the Zoom, we have the Skype, and we have the use of the different online teaching, teaching technologies, so the MS Teams, and too many, which is available to all the stakeholders. It's not just the teacher and the students who can connect through this MS Teams Zoom in the academic scene, but all stakeholder, even the honors and then the faculty, or the dean and the faculty, the bosses and the faculty and the students, the faculty and the parents. So all of the stakeholders can get connected, okay, because of this digital transformation, which became strengthened and so popular and enhanced during pandemic, okay, and even more after this or after the pandemic. And then of course number 4, individualized personalized learning, okay, learning process. Because at any point in time, so just like what we have in our institution, that we are using the MS Teams, so students can connect anytime, okay, whenever they have any clarifications about the concluded lecture. There's some even during night time. Okay, so there was this increased means of bringing learning to students, okay, which is very evident, not only during pandemic, but also at this point of time after the pandemic. Okay, so number 5, so we have this improvement in academic motivation. So yes, well, the students actually now are getting more motivated because for them they feel much connected, okay, because they have now this privileges to connect with their professor, okay, with the teachers at any point in time, during weekend. They can consult, okay, because of this digital transformation or availability of the technology, okay. Then we have enhanced communication among stakeholders, just like I mentioned earlier, because of this Zoom. So Zoom actually is commonly used, among between people in the academy and outside, though I mentioned earlier that we have other technology and tools like the MS Teams. Okay, so yeah, so those things really enhance communication among the stakeholder. Then we have the promotion of modern educational programs. So things are keep on improving. Every now and then we can see a lot of new apps. Okay, the new apps in making presentation, okay, which initially before actually we have only what you call the PowerPoint, but this time so many things have been there, which students can use, so different technology has been added during pandemic and even this post-pandemic. And then, of course, we have the better organization of the learning process. Yeah, the students look at it now as better than what they have before. Okay, as they can connect anytime. Well, they could say that it's a 24/7. Yeah, they could ask. Have clarification with their faculty anytime, of course, after confirming the meeting with the faculty. So this kind of thing, these are the advantages of which has been strengthened, during pandemic and of course this time after the pandemic. And then therefore now in conclusion, so we could say, okay, that there is this a global perspective that reforming education will require effective use of technology and the different tools that come with it. And through digital transformation, so faculty will have the opportunity to enhance their teaching approach. On the other hand, students will have the opportunity to access numerous learning materials online. Then we could say now that the employability of our graduates, okay, are being, improved because of these introductions of several tools, several technology. Okay, and of course this technology has enhanced the skills and the knowledge of our graduates. As we can say that enhancing the current learning and teaching environment, which includes this the digital transformation in our educational system, has greatly helped the employability skills of our students and of our graduates. These digital transformations, both from local and the global perspective, is similar to similar for all, for all of the educational institutions around the globe, and similar in a way that this approach has helped to reform the education system, okay, to a better platform, which actually has been highlighted during pandemic and now actually even after pandemic. So there is a global perspective that reforming education will require this effective use of technology and the different tools, as I have mentioned here, different tools that come with it. Then we could say that with this, digital transformation, our students and the faculty, and all the stakeholders, even the parents, has benefited, a lot through this, improve learning environment, okay, as aided by this digital transformation. And hence we could say that this digital transformation enhances to a higher degree, okay, the quality of education. Okay. And this transformation covers the learning environment, okay, which is so significant in motivating our students to learn more. Okay, so that closed my keynote presentations, and thank you for again this opportunity to deliver this keynote speech. Okay, thank you and have a blessed day.